everyone. Friends, you have the long period of summer vacation all for yourself. It is really long that sometimes you tend to feel bored. Well, you simply can't sit and be the couch potato wasting all the precious time. Instead, let's have some fun learning something creative and using our vacation time wisely. So today in this video, we are giving you ideas to spend your vacation wisely and in a fun way. So get ready to shoo away the boredom and have some fun. Now let's get started. We have different activities for different age groups, but the one thing that is common for all and can be done anytime is having a quality time with your family. Also, helping your family members will bring a smile on their faces and will bring you closer to them. Help your mom in the kitchen, dad in his work, and play with your siblings.
If you are a child around 2 to 4 years old, then do little tasks like organizing your toys, drawing patterns and lines, or simple drawing like a house. If you are 4 to 8 years, start doing a page of handwriting a day, practice spellings, draw and color, etc. If you are around 8 to 12, try different arts like pot painting, vegetable print painting, and best out of waste.
If you're about 12 years old, then learn creative things like basic stitching, jewelry making, embroidery, and fireless cooking. And last but not the least, parents have to organize things for the kids to grow, learn new things, and have fun. Give freedom to your child to grow, but giving chores to them do no harm to them. It only helps. Parents, this is the time to find out the hidden talent in your child and encourage it. So please utilize this time as much as possible. These are some of the ways you can make your vacation productive and fun and not waste time. Thank you.